Oh, that's nice, Bella. Feed him. Oh, yummy. Yum, 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 yum.
I put it in the mouth.
You put it in the mouth. Look at the doggy. Look, yum, yum, yum.
Eat it. Follow me.
He's eating a lot here, Bella.
Let's eating a lot in the mouth.
Oh my
Get
goodness.
tongue out.
He can't get his tongue out because he's got so much food in it.
Yes. You take it out.
He needs to take his tongue out. Oh my goodness. Woo, gosh. Oh my god, you got more.
Mama.
You got more food for him.
Yes.
He's gonna be very full after all this.
No.
He's not. He is. Oh my goodness.
Be full in the
He's
mouth.
gonna be really full.
Be full in the belly.
This is a lot of food.
Lots of feeling.
Lots of food. He's not gonna need to eat, is he, for a week?
No, can't eat to dinner.
He can. He won't be able to eat his dinner, no?
Eat it. Eat to dinner.
Oh dear.
It's falling.
Is it falling?
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should let him digest some before you give him any more.
Yeah. Look, Daddy. Look.
Look, she's feeding doggy.
Oh, good.